Hi guys, I'm Haley.
I'm Jessie.
We hope you're having a good summer.
We're gonna teach you how to make nature bracelets today.
Ooh. All right, so all you'll need is some masking tape and a friend and some things in nature.
So we made a list for you of some different things that you can find. The first thing on the list is a leaf. This is our leaf. A stick, a rock, something yellow,
something yellow.
some mulch, grass,
Here, some grass.
something big,
Ooh.
something tiny,
Ooh.
a flower, and something soft.
All right, and so to make your bracelet, you need some masking tape. So this is where you'll need a friend, okay? So you can take the tape, and you wanna make sure the sticky part is on the outside. It's facing up, like this.
So when you touch it, your
It's
hand.
sticky. Okay. Cool. All right. So now, we can start to stick our nature items. First, you guys can go look for everything on the list. And once you find it, all you have to do is stick it to your bracelet, just like this. A flower, a leaf,
Something yellow. It sticks right to it.
something soft, a stick, some mulch, your rock, and more for decorations. And then you have a beautiful nature bracelet. Have fun, everybody.
Bye.